Hello and welcome to this new lecture on JSX. In this lecture, we'll look into what JSX is and how it's used. JSX is a JavaScript-based XML format. A language a bit like HTML is XML. So the advantage of JSX is that adding JavaScript to a React Native component is simple. For instance, if you visit VS Code, you can see that several components are operational. JSX also lets you use a view element that includes text. You should be familiar with the HTML element used in web development if you've studied web development in the past. However, XML is functional here, thus HTML elements are not needed. JSX is used to process XML. The file is actually called app.js because it was originally built in JavaScript, but renaming it to app.jsx will make it function properly now. Okay, so as just the file's file type or extension has changed, it will function properly. The output result will not change if the file type is changed. Through Babel, JavaScript is functional in JSX. So copy the app.js file's view element. Now open the Babel website in your browser. Open the try it out tag. In this section, paste the view element or view tag. Now on the website, you can compare the two sets of codes to see how they would seem if they were used directly in native code versus JavaScript. So it seems like a challenging process. Okay, so this procedure basically ensures that HTML components are properly handled by JSX. It was mentioned at the beginning of the lecture that JSX is similar to JavaScript XML. It denotes the addition of XML to JavaScript. However, if you read the JSX introduction and visit the React website, you won't see XML in its description. You may learn from the definition that JSX is a syntax addition to JavaScript. You may now close a tag by using /, the forward arrow, like XML if it's empty by searching for XML. Yeah, so this outcome provides information on XML elements. Now, if you type JSX stands for into the search engine, you will discover that JSX stands for JavaScript XML. So JSX enables HTML availability to use in React. In React, JSX makes it simpler to write and add HTML. In essence, it's used to add HTML elements, and as a result, the fundamental interview question for JSX is how the code used in the app.js file actually works. So on the back end, the JavaScript code is really complex. And yeah, so basically in this lecture, we explored the fundamental idea behind JSX. So that's pretty much it for now. Let's move on to the next lecture.